In this lesson, we continue with access lists. The main rules and principles remain the same. The fact that you always have that deny any rule in the end, that a router that generates certain packets can't block those packets, and so on and so on. Let's get right into it. The main difference between standard access lists and extended access lists is that in standard ACLs, you can only filter traffic based on source IP. This is the source IP we're blocking. With extended ACLs, you specify which protocol you want to block. This is the protocol in this example, which source IP, and which destination IPs. Now in this example, I used ICMP, which is ping, but there's plenty of protocols you can choose from. I got this list by typing in the question mark after the deny command, and here's what we got. AHP and ESP, if you're not familiar with those, are both IPsec protocols. Then we have different routing protocols, EIGRP and OSPF. We also have the distinction between UDP and TCP. You will see later on that those are very important, but the most important one is IP. When you want to deny a specific protocol but allow all other traffic, let's say you want to disable pings, in that case you'd have a rule saying deny ICMP and then source and destination, and then you'd add a rule saying permit IP any. IP is actually above all other protocols, so it covers all other protocols, but we'll see that in the example. Additionally, other than just picking a protocol, you can also pinpoint a specific application you want to block. In this example, we will deny only Telnet. Telnet, of course, uses TCP, so that's why we used TCP here. And not only that, but you can also use the port number used by that application. In this case, it's 23 because that's what Telnet uses. Obviously, you can use any port number. It could even be custom, but there are some default protocols suggested for you when you use the question mark at the end of that command. If you're looking to block TCP applications, you can block DNS, FTP, mail protocols, Telnet, HTTP. And if you're looking to block UDP applications, you can block Bootstrap, DNS, again, because DNS can use both UDP and TCP, IPsec stuff, SNMP, TFTP, etc. Again, you can, instead of using a word to pick your protocol, you can just type in a number and your ACL will block it. These are predefined because these are most often used. And that's pretty much it for extended ACLs. We'll use them in our upcoming exercises, so keep going.